Hi everyone, welcome to Other Solutions. Here the question is finding the value of this logarithm. Here it is given as log base root x of root x of root x of root x of root x. There are 4 square roots here. Let's solve this solution. Start the solution with changing the first square root as power 1 by 2. Here the first square root is changed as power 1 by 2. This power is applicable to all the remaining roots. Now shift. Now the expression become as log base square root of x to the power of 1 by 2 into square root of x square root of x of square root of x whole to the power of 1 by 2. Here all these 3 square roots comes under 1 power, which is 1 by 2. Now changing the second square root as power. Now the expression becomes as log base of square root of x to the power of 1 by 2 of x of square root of square root of x whole to the power of 1 by 2 and whole to the power of 1 by 2, because we already have 1 power 1 by 2 and now we are changing the second square root as power 1 by 2. So we have 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 as power. Now simplify these powers. Since they are multiplying, it becomes 1 by 4. So the whole power is 1 by 4. Now the expression becomes as log base root x of x to the power of 1 by 2 into x to the power of 1 by 4. Since we got the multiplication of two powers as 1 by 4, we got here as x to the power of 1 by 4 of square root of square root of x whole to the power of 1 by 4. Now we have again 2 square roots. Let's change the third square root as 1 by 2. So the expression becomes as log base of square root of x to the power of 1 by 2 into x to the power of 1 by 4 of x root x of whole to the power of 1 by 2. Here we are changing only one square root, so it is 1 by 2 and whole to the power of 1 by 4. This is so now this 1 by 2 and the 1 by 4 powers are multiplied, which is 1 by 8. So the expression becomes log base square root of x to the power of 1 by 2, x to the power of 1 by 4 and x to the power of 1 by 8 with remaining 1 square root of x whole to the power of 1 by 8. Now we have all the x terms separately. Let's write these x terms as square root of x by rewriting their powers. Here square root represents the power 1 by 2. Let's write all these x terms with square root of x in terms of square root of x. Here 1 by 2 power represents a square root. And here we have 1 by 4 as power, which is written as 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So we can write 1 square root of x whole to the power of 1 by 2. And here 1 by 8. We can write it as 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. So we can write it as 1 square root of x whole to the power of 1 by 4. After converting all these terms into square root of x form, we have the expression as log base root x of square root of x to the power 1 into square root of x to the power 1 by 2 into square root of x to the power 1 by 4 into square root of x to the power 1 by 8. This is the final simplified expression. Now all the bases are same here, so add all the powers here. The formula is like a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. We are using this formula and adding all the powers of these same bases. Let's add the powers. Here the powers are 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8, which is nothing but 15 by 8. So the expression becomes log base square root x of to the power 15 by 8. Now observe the simplified expression. Here there is only one power, so we can use the power rule of logarithm, which is log base b of a to the power of n equals to n log base b a. So here the power is written in front of the logarithm. We are applying this formula to the simplified expression that becomes 15 by 8 log base square root of x of square root of x. Now observe the expression. Here the logarithmic expression is in the form of log base a of a, which is nothing but 1. Here the base and the value both are same. So it, it, e- it is equals to 1. Therefore, the expression we have given log base square root of x of square root of x, square root of x, square root of x, square root of x, 4 square roots of x equals to 15 by 8 into 1 equals to 15 by 8. This is the solution. Thank you. Follow for more.